Okay, so example 1.12 looks at how much money we need to invest for each period of time in order to achieve a given future value. So this differs slightly from previous examples where we've looked at how long we need to invest a given sum for. This is how much money do we need to invest for each period of time in order to achieve a given future value across a known period of time. So how much money do you have to deposit at the end of each month to reach a target sum of $250,000 in 20 years when the annual interest rate is 8.25% compounded and compounded monthly? So we go function. We want to know the actual payment this time. So the rate is 8.25% compounded monthly. Oops. The number of periods, it's going to be 20 years, so 20 times 12. The present value is 0. We have nothing invested at the beginning, but the final amount is $250,000. Press OK, and we can see that we need to invest $411.41 each month if we want to end up with $250,000 at the end of 20 years.